Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Sp500 Analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Analysis, the Dxy or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here today, the Sp500 was done today here. After yesterday falling here, today it's showing a big reversing upward, not that much, but if you see those candles here, that two here, also we are here in the 4 hours, this showing the market is backing up. And me what me I told you here at that level here in the last video, we make it like that and we make here like that, and we said we got here a wave. Now it came here to that place here, and it's showing here a big reverse. As you see it, it's indicating the market is backing upward here. So till now there is nothing new here, and now you can make a wedge like that. It's more clear now than before, and you waiting when it's going to be broken, either up here or it's going to fall down again. I don't care. Also, the most important, we know how to make money from that level, from those things. And here, look at it, what it's giving us: high, low, another high, and now it give us another low. Let's hope now it's going to give us another high, because all the people now is still waiting what the Fed is going to tell them tomorrow. So there is nothing here new till tomorrow. Even if you go to daily, you're going to find a nice pin bar there. Let me show it to you. We go from here from 4 hours to the daily. Look at it, what it give you here. You see the market, it give you here a nice pin bar here, as you see it. But also we enter here in the daily, because we used to have here that head and shoulder here, and that one indicating the market will go up more than that, because it's breaking for us the neckline. And now after that correction will happen here, it go back to that level and it test it again, and now it's showing it's going back upward. As you see that pin bar here, if it finish like that, that indicating the market still going upward. There is no falling yet, even if the Fed tomorrow, because that one is showing the Fed press conference tomorrow, because all of us, we know the Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.25. But that candle here is telling us tomorrow you're going to see a big run upward. So we need to wait until tomorrow what the Fed is going to tell us. That is going to confirm for us all that. It's going back now to the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. So here we don't got nothing new. All the thing we got now, a more clear wage here for a up channel, name it whatever you want. We're still waiting the break to happen upward for us to confirm it. The market will continue upward. Yeah, now we need to wait and more what's going to happen. And me today I just buy British pound, because it gives me a signal to buy it. I don't care about tomorrow what's going to happen, because me, I use stop loss and I know how I'm trading. I've been in that market for long. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator here, over here, it gives us like a small divergence here. As you see it, if you came and you connecting those ones with that one, it give you here a small divergence from that line and that line, the same how it give it to us in the Bitcoin. But shall we enter short? No, we don't got any price action here indicating for us also we need to enter short. That one is just an escalator. We need a price action. The price action we got is that one. Unless if it came here and give us another low like that, that's another story. Till now there is nothing confirmed. We need to wait and more what's going to happen. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Sp500 doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. The last video used to be here. People to be with us. I told you got here a downtrend like that. I told you can make it like that, a wedge like that, or you can make it a channel like that. I told you all those things in the last video where we analyzed the Sp500, and we told you if it's breaking up, you enter long. It's breaking here. We'll have you enter long. Now you are in nice profit here in the Sp500, because it will have you enter from here, and here it's showing it's breaking the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average here it's still reacting like a very stronger support. Yes, it's showing here it's break it down, but now it go back inside. Now I think the take profit for that one, it needs to be here at that last peak here. Yes, now you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, but that one is going to stay sideways here. Then after that maybe it will go upward, and here he give you here a cup and handle here, a small cup and handle here at 30 minutes as you see it, and it's breaking for you the neckline. The take profit for that one, it needs to be just here. You make it like that, it's going to be here at that peak here, that one here. So till now you're still in profit. People they enter from the signal we give them, because the signal it was here. You will have you enter early here in that candle here, will have you enter here, and now you are in profit. Try to protect yourself, because that one is just scalping and day trading. If it go up more, fair enough. If it fall down, you will not lose nothing and you go out with profit. So always try to protect yourself, because before you enter into the scalping and day trading, you need to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, don't enter to scalping and day trading, because scalping and day trading is very dangerous. Don't follow people that telling you you're going to make more than what you lose. Scalping and day trading is very dangerous. If if you are not a professional person and you need a lot of experience, don't enter. Just stick with long-term investing. That it's very simple and very easy for newbies. But if you know what you're doing, that's another story. Let's see our indicator what it's saying today here. Our indicator, as you remember, as we tell you here yesterday, used to be here exactly in that place here. The last video used to be here. Then me, I told you, we got here, we're connecting that dot here and that dot here, and we told you it needs to break up for us to enter long. It's breaking here, so over here we'll dive you into long. Now you are in profit, and that one is going up to the overbought area. When it will touch in here the overbought area, try to protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. When you touch in here the overbought area, try to protect yourself. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, people being with us, you remember what me I told you? I told you got here in the Nasdaq 100 up channel like that, and as you see it, it came down, it touched the lower of it here. You can find all those analysis in our videos. Just go back, watch the last video where we analyzed the Sp500. When it touch here, now it's showing it going back upward. It will touch in the top of the channel here. So even that one, it's showing the Nasdaq 100 going upward again. And even if you go to the daily, you're going to get a more clear picture than here in 4 hours, because in the daily we give you more clear signals there. Look at it here, what it's doing here. Look here, what you see. It came down to the 200 moving average, and it's showing us here a very nice pin bar here that indicating very bullish signal, because a pin bar in the 200 moving average is a very bullish signal. And also here in the daily, what else we said here, people they've been with us for some time now, we said we got here a very big double bottom like that, and we said the neckline was here and it's getting broke. Now that candle which is coming today, it show us from that level it's still very stronger, but we're still waiting what the Fed or the Jerome Powell is going to tell us tomorrow. And even that megaphone here, that candle which is came here, it's showing the same thing. The megaphone we show you here in the daily. Let's going back now to the 4 hours to analyze for you more. So what the view for that one? That one either is going to go back up and to break for us that level here. Because if you go looking with me here, look here. High, low, another high, low, another high, give us here a low. Now it needs to give us another high. So that one is an uptrend. There is nothing to change it, unless if it came and breaking here, breaking that uptrend here. I want to do like that. There is no power to push to give us another high. Just from here to fall down and to break for us that trend line. That means the trend is going to change. Till now there is nothing new here in 4 hours, so you need to wait more till the right time came to you. And also we enter long, people they've been with us, we enter long from here. Until now we're still holding our position. Till is going to get broke, then also we're going to close it. So till now there is nothing new here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. For some time now, from down here, it entered to the overbought area, as you see it from that level here. But till now there is nothing new, and there is no price action here telling us the trend is going to change from an uptrend to a downtrend. We need to wait until tomorrow till the Fed Jerome Powell came, and he's going to tell us the view for the market. So till now there is nothing new here, and I'm going to come back to you tomorrow after the press conference to analyze for you more, to give you clear picture where is the market going. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here, that one, last video, we make it like that. Same thing like the Sp500. I remember it very well. I told you connecting those dots, the one and the one. It's getting broke here. Look at it. Look where you are now. You're making very nice profit till now. And now here, it give you here down a cup and handle like that. As you see it, the neckline of it is getting broke here. Here exactly. Take profit for that one. You came here, and you make it the same upward like that. Take profit for that one is going to be here, exactly in that peak here, that one here. Me I'm talking about. You are near to take profit now, but it's still going upward because me I'm thinking it will go up till here, till that last high which is here. So fair enough for you, and enjoy your earning as we said it. If you enter from here, and if you've been following our signals, because also we give you that signal here in the last video. You can just go back and watch the last video where we analyzed the Sp500. We told you that before that break happening here. We told you all that, and look at it now, it's breaking here. Look where you are. You are in a nice profit. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is being here at the oversold area, and also we show you that price action we used to have here. It's getting broke here. We'll W enter. Now it's going to the overbought area. When it's going to touch here, try to protect yourself and take some of the profit because you don't know what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to continue upward. Maybe it's going to fall down. We don't care us. We follow. When it's breaking here, we enter long because in the daily showing us we are in an uptrend. In the 4 hours us we are in an uptrend. So here in 30 minutes we'll be searching for a long entry. When it's breaking here, we enter long. Look where we are now. You are in a nice profit now. And even for the short us we enter short in it. But if you want to watch it, just go and watch the Sp500. You can find it in our channel. There is a section is named the Sp500 and a playlist, and watch all the videos and you're going to find all that analysis there. But that is up to you. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So it's going there. There we are in the US dollar. That's why me enter long in the British pound because of that one here. When it came here, because me I know it's just a sideways market, I enter long in the British pound, and that one is showing here it's falling down. And here, that one, as we said before, we used to have here like a triangle here. That triangle is getting broke here, as you see it. Now the one either is going to come down to touch it from the top here, then after it will go up to give you another high, or that one here it will fall down again. It will give you here a fake out, because over here now look at it, what it give you here, like sideways market there for a level here. So till now it doesn't breaking up, or it doesn't breaking up, so you need to wait in where it's going to break. You know, there is nothing new here in 4 hours. And even if you go to the daily, in the daily you're going to get why me enter long in British pound. Let me show you why. Here, why me enter long in British pound, because of that pin bar here, and we are down in the trend line. Me I know it is going to fall down because US dollar is going to fall down, and Bitcoin it will go up, British pound it will go up, Euro USD it will go up. All that falling down, you see, it's just a correction. And tomorrow the Fed is going to drive the US dollar to falling down more than that, because USA now they need to back the debt, and them they always doing that. They making loans when the interest rate is high, and they backing the debt when the interest rate started getting lower. That means there is a pivot here, so you need to be careful about those things. Me I'm telling you, that one here it's showing it will falling down more than that. You need to be careful about those things. Me I'm telling you, it's going back now to the 4 hours to analyze for you our indicators and tell you exactly where is the market is going to go. Our indicator, as you see it, was very close here to the overbought area, but me I don't care. It's going to fall down again because those indicators me I don't follow them 100%. I just know there is a correction going to come. Then me I wait in the correction for me to enter long or to enter short, because me I base my trading in the long term trend. The long term trend is showing us as we are falling. So here in the short term trend, it will not make a big difference, because the long-term trend, that where you need to base your trading on. I think everything is too clear. Now it's going to see the DXY, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, as we tell you here, we got here a up channel. Look at it. And here, it gives us here a head and shoulder here. Look at it. Very clear head and shoulder here. That's why me enter short in British pound, because the same head and shoulder. Look at it now. It's falling down. So that one, the take profit of it is going to be here, exactly in that level here. That one here, and here it's breaking, so it's going to fall down more than that, and you need to focus about those things. And even here, without that head and shoulder, you got here a mega fall like that. Even that one is getting broke here. Even that one it's showing it's falling down. You need to be careful about those things me I'm talking about here. Here it's showing it's going to fall down till down here. That's when me I told you it's being in a sideways. It's just a correction for manipulation. So from here it's being the entry. Now it's falling down. I think everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. So over here, we'll have you looking here for a short opportunity, and you need to have a price action. The price action we used to have there is that megaphone without the head and shoulder. It's getting broke here. Look at it, it's falling down more now. So that one, when it's going to touch here the oversold area, people they enter in British pound, try to protect yourself, because you don't know what's going to happen. It's not only British pound, you can enter even in the Euro USD, in the Aussie, a lot of currencies against US dollar. So those was depend on where it is, because people they trade in forex, they know those things. There is currency A and currency B. The US dollar, if is it here number 2, you enter long. If it's the US dollar here in number 1, you enter short. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video just the last video. I'm not going to base my analysis on the analysis of today. The last video, what me I told you here. We came where we analyzed Bitcoin. We came, we do it like that. I told you that pick that one and that one. If it's getting broke here, you enter long. Yes or no? The last video. You can just go back and watch the last video of the Bitcoin. It's breaking here. Will have you enter long. Now what it's showing here? It's showing there is a big power here in the 200 moving average. But what may I analyze for you now in the US dollar? US dollar is going to fall down. So what that meant? That one is going to go higher till here again. Remember my word. By night I'm going to come to you. Maybe we're going to find it here. And here, that's why I told you which how to analyze here. Here. Look with me here, very close. Here, what you see? Over here, that the neckline. Here, what you see? Here, here, and here. What is it that? First shoulder, the head, second shoulder. That's why I told you how to analyze that one. Just you base your trading on the last video. From here, look at it. The trend line is being here. It's getting broke here. Now it's showing it will go back upward till here. And in the 4 hours, what I told you in that indicator of us, I told you it need to touch the middle. Today it touch it, and today it's showing a reversing upward here. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, look with me here. It give you even here a wage like that. Very clear symmetric triangle. That one is getting broke here. But that one, the take profit of it, you just came like that and you doing the same line like that. So that one is showing it will go up only till here. But me, I told you it's going to go back upward till here, till that last high here. Everything is too clear. Also, we're talking, is it breaking now? It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Now, it's very close to the overbought area. People, they enter long from that candle here. Try to protect yourself now when it's entering here to the overbought area. Try to protect yourself. Doesn't mean to close everything. No. You just closing a little bit and you're moving the stop loss upward. By the way, to learn all those things, they are in our day trading course. The course, you're going to find it in the first comment with a 85% couple link if you want it, but it's up to you. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now.